Very good morning to all of you. Hello everyone, I am Swati Prakash and working in BPT University as a senior assistant professor in the School of Pharmacy. Today I will discuss about the pharmacy calculation. As you can see in the introduction PPT, that is a topic of pharmaceutics 1 that is related to B Pharm first year and the first semester. So I hope it will help all the B Pharm first year students for the preparation of pharmaceutical calculation, because today I will discuss about the pharmaceutical calculation that is based on the calculations like weights and measures and metric system and imperial system. So the pharmaceutical calculation, if we discuss about the pharmaceutical calculations, before discussing the calculations which are involved in dispensing of drugs, it is very necessary to have a thorough knowledge regarding weights and measures which are used in calculations. These weights and measures are discussed as follows. Weight, it is a measure of the gravitational force acting on a body and is directly proportional to its mass. The mass remains constant and never varies because it is based on inertia, whereas weight varies slightly with a change in latitude, altitude, temperature and pressure. The effect of these factors is not considered unless very accurate weighing are to be done. Measure, it is a measurement of volume of any substance like temperature and pressure exert their effects especially on liquids and gases. The effect of these factors is only taken into consideration when accurate preparations are to be made. There are two systems of weight and measures, the imperial system and the metric system. There are contents like the metric system. Today I will discuss about these topics like the metric system, imperial system, percentage, ratio, conversion of ratio to percent and the conversion of percent to ratio, the conversion of percent to decimal and the conversion of decimal to percent, and so many examples like the calculation that is based on the conversion of ratio to percent, the conversion of percent to ratio and the conversion of percent to decimal and the conversion of decimal to percent. So we will start with the metric system, and there are three other topics that is remaining: the alligation method, proof spirit and the isotonic solutions. So first we discuss about the metric system. In 1948, a committee on weight and measures legislation was appointed by the president of the Board of Trade to review the existing weights and measures legislation and to make recommendations thereof. In 1951, the committee published a report in which it was recommended that the apothecary system, the imperial system, should be abolished and the metric system should be adopted in its place. Therefore, the steps were taken to abolish the use of imperial system for all dealing in drugs and medicines, and its use was declared illegal in pharmacy profession. Since the 31st of March 1969, the pharmacists were required to carry out all dispensing work in metric system. Accordingly, the first changeover to the metric system appeared in the British Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmaceutical Codex published in 1963. The doses of tablets, capsules and injections were given only in metric quantities. Weights and Measure Regulations 1964 describes certain equivalents in metric units that whenever strength is prescribed in the imperial units, that must be dispensed according to equivalent strength in metric unit. Though the pharmacists are required to use the metric system for dispensing the prescriptions, but still a large number of physicians trained to use the imperial system prescribe the drug in the old system, and some hospitals still retain it as the local standard. Some drugs are prescribed in fractional doses like 1 by 200, 1 by 150, 1 by 100 grams. The bottles for liquids are still manufactured to contain ounce measurement rather than millimeters. Due to the above mentioned reasons, it is still necessary to be familiar with both the systems which are described in details. Metric system, if we discuss about the units of the symbols of metric system, so a symbol meter, a symbol m is used for the meter, or it is a unit of length, and a symbol of kg is used for the kilogram, and it is a unit of mass, and a symbol s is used for the second, and it is the unit of time, and symbol of K is used for Kelvin, that is the unit of temperature, and like that a symbol A is used for ampere, and it is the SI unit of electric current, and the symbol mole is used for the mole, and it is the unit of amount of substances, and the last one is the symbol of CD, that is used for the candela, and it is the unit of luminous intensity. Next, if we discuss about the measurable units, like discussed in the previous slide, like 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeter is equivalent to 0.01 meter or 10 millimeters, and 1 millimeter is equivalent to 0.001 meter or 1000 micrometers or microns. And if we discuss about the volumes, volume is measured in liters. 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliters, that is denoted by ml, and 1 millimeter is equivalent to 0.001 liters, that is 1000 microliters mcl. And if we discuss about the weight, that is measured in grams, 1 gram is equivalent to 1000 milligrams, that is mg, and 1 milligram is equivalent to 1000 micrograms, that is 1 thousandths of a gram, that is mcg, and 1 kilogram, 1 kg is equivalent to 1000 grams, that is g. Kilograms, if we discuss about the transfer or conversion of kilograms to grams, so if we want to convert the kilograms into grams, so multiply the 1000 or move decimal point 3 places to the right. Like if we take an example, like 6.25 kg is converted into grams, so it is multiplied by 1000, so we have 6250 grams. Next one is gram. If we want to convert gram to milligrams, so the same multiplied by 1000 or move decimal point 3 places to the right. Example, 3.56 gram is equals to 3560 mg, that is that is done by multiplying the number with 1000, and we have 3560 mg. And if we want to convert milligrams to grams, so the same procedure, multiplied by 0.001 or move decimal point 3 places to the left. Example, 120 mg is equals to 0.120 grams. There is some examples like convert 7 millimeters to 7 meters to millimeters. So meters are bigger than millimeters, so converting bigger to smaller multiplied by thousands, and centimeter is not involved. So if we want to convert 7 meter to millimeters, so multiplied by 1000, so 7 meter is multiplied by 1000, so we have 7000 millimeters. The answer is 7000 millimeters. Next one, if we take one another example to convert 8 meters to inches, so we have to divide the number, we have to divide the we have to multiply the number into 100 centimeter, or divide by 1 meter, or into multiplied by 1 inches, or the same number. So we have answer like 315 inches. Imperial system, if we discuss about the imperial system, system is an old system of weight and measures. It is divided into two parts: the avoirdupois system and apothecary system. So it is divided into two systems. Avoirdupois system, it is one of the three systems of measurement used in pharmacy calculations, which uses weights and volumes as the division of measurement. According to this system, the standard unit for weighing is pound, and all the other measures of mass is derived from pound. It is represented by lb. 1 lb is equals to 16 oz, and 1 lb is equals to 7000 grains, and 1 oz is equals to 7000 upon 16, that is the 437.5 grains. Avoirdupois system, this system is similar to apothecary system. However, the Avoirdupois system exclusively measures weight in 16 ounce, equaling 1 lb. Avoirdupois system is standard for weight other than drugs in large amounts. So weight in ounce, weight in pint. 1 lb is equals to 7000 grains, and 1 lb is equals to 16 ounce or oz. Apothecary system standard for weight is equals to grains, and 1 oz is equals to 437.5 grains. Measurement for volume in both these systems is gallon. 1 gallon is equals to 4 squirts or 8 pints, and 1 quart is equals to 2 pints or 32 fluid ounce, and 1 pint is equals to 16 fluid ounce. Conversion between systems, if we discuss about the conversion between systems like weight, if we convert the 2.2 pound into 1 kilogram, so 1.1 pound is equals to 455 grams, and 1 grain is equals to 16 milligrams. So we will easily convert weights into weights. Fluid measures: 1 fluid ounce OZ is equals to 30 millimeters, and 1 pint is equals to 475 millimeters. Household meters, there are some other measurements like 1 drop is equals to 0.05 ml, 1 teaspoon is equals to 5 ml, 1 dessert spoon is equals to 8 ml, 1 tablespoon is equals to 15 ml, and 1 water glass is equivalent to 250 ml, 1 wine glass is equivalent to 60 ml, 1 tea cup is equivalent to 120 ml, and 1 ml is equivalent to 20 drops, and 1 tumbler is equivalent to 240 ml. Conversion table, if we discuss about the conversion table from apothecaries to avoirdupois, so 1 lb is equals to 16 oz, and 1 lb is equals to 7000 grains, and 1 oz is equals to 7000 upon 16, that is 437.5 grains. 20 grains is equivalent to 1 scruple, and 60 grains is equivalent to 1 drachm. 480 grains is equivalent to 1 ounce, and 12 ounce is equivalent to 1 pound, and 4760 grains is equivalent to 1 pound. Weight measures, if we compare the metric system and imperial system, so the digits are 1 kilogram is equivalent to 2.2 lb or pound, 30 gram is equivalent to 1 ounce, and 450 gram is equivalent to 1 pound, and 1 gram is equivalent to 15 grains, and 60 mg is equivalent to 1 grain. And capacity measures, like 1000 ml is equivalent to 1 quart, and 500 ml is equivalent to 1 pint, and 30 ml is equivalent to 1 fluid ounce, and 4 ml is equivalent to 1 fluid drachm, and 1 ml is equivalent to 15 minutes. The measurement of capacity, the standard unit for capacity are same in avoirdupois as well as apothecary system. The standard unit is gallon, and the other measures of capacity are derived from gallon. Metric system, the standard unit of measures of mass weight is kilogram, and the other measures of mass are derived from kilogram. Calculation, that is the domestic measures, if we compare the metric system and imperial system, so the domestic measures, like 1 drop is equals to 0.06 ml, and 1 minims, 1 teaspoonful, that is 4 ml or 1 fluid drachm, 1 dessert spoonful 8 ml or 2 fluid drachm, 1 tablespoonful, that is 15 ml or 4 fluid drachm, 2 tablespoonful 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce, 1 wine glassful, that is 60 ml or 2 fluid ounce, and 1 tumbler full, that is 240 or 8 fluid ounce. Calculation based on density, if we discuss about the calculation that is based on density, so density is defined as a mass of substance per unit volume. It has the units of mass over volume. Specific gravity is a ratio of the weight of substances in airs to that of an equal volume of water. It does not have any units. In the metric system, both density and specific gravity are numerically equal. The density, weight and volume of any substance can be calculated from the following equations. Density is equals to weight upon volume, and weight is equals to density into volume, and if we calculate the volume, it is the ratio of weight and density. Metric units, if we compare the matrix, if we compare the mass that is measured in kilograms for metric system and unit English system, so the kilogram that has a symbol kilogram, that is measured in grams, and hectogram is a symbol that is denoted by the symbol Hg, and it is measured in the grams, and decagram, it is denoted by the symbol like Dag, and it is measured in grams. 10 grams. And decigram, it is denoted by the symbol dg, and it is measured in 1/10 gram. And centigram, that has a symbol like cg, and it is measured in 100 gram. And 1 milligram, it is denoted by the symbol mg, and it is measured in 1000 gram. And for the English units, the ounce has the symbol like oz. Pound, it is noted by the symbol lb, and ton, it is noted by the symbol ton. If we discuss about the length in for the length, the metric units like kilometer, it is denoted by the symbol km, and it is measured in 100 meters. And hectometer, that is denoted by the symbol hm, and it is measured in 100 meters. And decameter, it is denoted by the symbol dam, and it is measured in 10 meters. And decimeters, that is denoted by the symbol dm, and it is measured in 1/10th meter. And the centimeter, it is denoted by the symbol cm, and it is measured in 1/100 meter. And millimeter, it is noted by the symbol millimeter, and it is measured in 1/1000 meter. And for the English system, that is inch, that has a symbol in. And foot, that has a symbol like ft. Yard, that has a symbol like yd. And the miss, that has a symbol like mi. For the volume, if we discuss about the volume, so we have so many units like kiloliters, that has a symbol kl. Liters, that is noted by the symbol l. And hectoliter, that is noted by the symbol hl. And decaliter, that is noted by the symbol dal. And deciliter, that is noted by the symbol dl. Centiliter, that is noted by the symbol cl. And milliliter, that is noted by the symbol ml. And for the English system, ounce, that is noted by the symbol oz. Cup, that is denoted by the symbol c. Pint, that is noted by the symbol pt. And quart, that is noted by the symbol qt. And gallon, that is noted by the symbol gal. For the temperature, 0 Kelvin, if we discuss about the temperature at 0 Kelvin, so it is absolute 0, that is minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. And if we discuss in the Fahrenheit, so minus 459.67 degree Fahrenheit at 0 Kelvin. If we discuss about the 273.15 Kelvin at ice point, so it is at 0 degree centigrade. And in Fahrenheit, that is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Human body temperature, that is 310.15 Kelvin, that is 37 degree centigrade and 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. If we discuss about the 310.15 Kelvin, so the boiling point of water, is 100 degree centigrade and 212 degree Fahrenheit. Next, the Avoirdupois system. In reality, an Avoirdupois ounce actually contains 28.34952 gram. However, we often round up to 30 gram. It is common practice to use 454 gram as an equivalent for a pound, that is 28.35 gram into 16 oz by lb, that is 453.6 gram per lb, rounded to 454 gram by lb. If we discuss about the measurement unit, so 1 grain, that is equivalent to 65 gram, and 1 oz, it is equivalent to 437.5 grain. And if we discuss in metric system, so it has the value 30 gram or 28.35 gram. 1 lb, that is the pound, so equivalent within system like 16 oz or 7000 grain, or in metric 1.3 gram. Apothecary system, if we discuss about the apothecary system weight measurement, so the measurement unit 1 grain is equivalent to 65 mg in metric system. 15.432 grain is equivalent to 1 gram. 1 grain is 20 grain is equivalent to 1.3 grain, or 60 grain is equivalent to 3.9 grain, and 480 grain is equivalent to 30 grain, and 57 and 60 grain is equivalent to 373.2 gram. Avoirdupois system, if we discuss about the avoirdupois system, like 1 grain is equivalent to 65 grain, 1 oz ounce is equivalent to 437.5 grain or 30 gram. 1 lb or pound is equivalent to 16 oz or 7000 grain or 1.3 gram. Household measurement, if we discuss about the household measurement, so 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 5 ml, and 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 3 tablespoon, that is 15 ml, and 1 fluid ounce is equivalent to 2 tablespoon or 30 ml, 29.57 ml. 1 cup is equivalent to 8 fluid or 240 ml. 1 pint is equivalent to 2 cups or 450 ml, and 1 quart is equivalent to 2 pint or 960 ml, and 1 gallon is equivalent to 4 quart or 3840 ml. Next, if we discuss about the percentage, percentage means by the 100 or in 100 percentage, that is noted by a symbol that you can see in the PPT, are just fraction, but fraction with a set denominator of 100. Percent strengths are used to describe IV solutions and topically applied drugs. The higher the percentage of dissolved substances, the greater the strength. If we discuss about the calculations, so we have 3 percentage calculation, that is weight and volume, that is weight by volume solutions. In this, the solute is weighed and the solvent is measured. The general formula for 1% weight by solution is solid 1 part by weight and 100 parts by volume. So 1 gram solute dissolved in sufficient amount of water to produce 100 ml or 10 mg in 1 ml of water makes 1% weight by volume solution. Next one is weight in weight or W by W solution. In this, the solute and the solvent are taken by weight. The general formula for 1% weight by weight solution is solid 1 part by weight, solvent to produce 100 part by weight. Percentage solution of solids in liquids are not made weight by weight unless specially requested. Volume by volume, V by V solutions. In this solute, the solvents are taken by volume. The general formula for 1% V by V solution is solute 1 part by volume, solvent to produce 100 parts by volume. 1 ml solute dissolved in sufficient amount of solvent to produce 100 ml. Equivalent values are percent 45%, in fraction 45 by 100, and in decimal 0.45, and in ratio 45 by 100. 0.5% in fraction 0.5 by 100, or in decimal 0.005, or in ratio 0.5:100. If we discuss about the converting a ratio to a percentage, so designate the first number of the ratio as the numerator and the second number as the denominator. Multiply the fraction by 100% simply as needed. Multiply a number or a fraction by 100% does not change the value. Converting a ratio to a percent, few examples are like 5:1, that is 5 by 1 into 100%. So the answer is 500%, and 1:5 that have 20, that is 20%, and 1:2 that is 50%. Converting a percent to ratio, change the percent to a fraction by dividing it by 100. Reduce a ratio to its lowest terms and express this as a ratio by making the numerator the first number of the ratio and denominator the second number. Converting a percent to a ratio, that is 2%, that is 2 divided by 100, that have the value 2 upon 100, and 1 by 50, and the ratio is 1:50. 10%, that 10 is divided by 100, and 10 by 100, or 1 by 10, and we have 1:10. 75%, 75 is divided by 100, and after solving we have 75 by 100 and 3 by 4, and the ratio is 3:4. Converting a percent to decimal, divide by 100% or insert a decimal point 2 places to the left to the last number and inserting zeros if necessary. Drop the percent symbol. Converting a decimal to percent, multiply by 100 or insert a decimal point 2 places to the right of the last number and inserting 0 if necessary. Add the percent symbol. Percent to decimal, 4% is equivalent to 0.04%, that is divided, that 4 is divided by 100%, so the answer is 0.04. The decimal to percent, if we convert the decimal to percent, so 0.25% is equals to 25%, that is 0.25 into 100% is 25%. 1.35 is equivalent to 135%. 1.35 to 100% is 135%. Examples, if we discuss about the example, how many milliliters are there in 1 gallon 12 fluid ocean? According to the values in table 38 40 ml are found in 1 gallon. Because 1 fluid ocean contains 30 ml, you can use a ratio proportion method to calculate the amount of milliliters in 12 fluid ocean as follows: x ml upon 12 fluid ocean is 30 ml or 1 fluid ocean. Example, the second example and the third example, fourth example, and the alligation method. The calculation alligation method, this method is not recommended, accepted as a method for checking because there are chances of errors in writing the figures. When the calculation involves mixing of two similar preparations of different strength to produce a preparation of intermediate strength, an alligation method is used. Required percentage contains a stronger percentage, required percentage, weaker percentage, and weaker percentage, and a stronger percentage or required percentage. Example: calculate the volume of 95% alcohol required to prepare 600 ml 70% alcohol. So volume required, that is 600 ml, and percentage of alcohol required, that is 70. Percentage of alcohol used, that is 95. So we calculate the sum by the alligation method. So we put the values in the and is like the alligation method, like the PPT. So we calculate the values for the alcohol. 95% alcohol required, that is 600 into 70 upon 95, that is 422.10 ml, and the quantity of water required, that is 600 into 25 upon 95, that is 157.90 ml. Second example is, and the third example is, and the proof spirits. If we discuss about the proof spirits, so proof spirit calculations. Proof spirit, the strength of alcohol is calculated in proof degrees. The Indian standard of 100% proof spirit is equivalent to 57% volume by volume of ethyl alcohol. Proof spirit is legally defined as that mixture of alcohol and water which at 51 degree Fahrenheit weighs 12 by 13th of an equal volume of water. If the value is more than 57%, then it is said to be over proof spirit, and if the value is less than 57%, then it is said to be under proof spirit. In India, the excise duty is calculated in terms of rupees per liter of proof alcohol. So any percentage volume in volume of alcohol can be converted into proof strength, and vice versa by using the following method. Multiply the percentage strength of alcohol by 1.753 and deduct 100 from the product. If the result is positive, it is known as proof spirit over proof, and if the result is negative, it is known as under proof. 1.753 is obtained as follows. It is done by the calculations, and calculate the strength of 30 degree over proof and 40 degree under proof. So the formula is alcohol strength. It's some examples. And isotonic solutions are which have same osmotic pressure as equal pressure or equal solute concentration. The solutions having the same osmotic pressure are said to be osmotic as compared to blood plasma. If a solution has lower osmotic pressure, it is said to be hypotonic, but if it has the higher osmotic pressure, it is said to be hypertonic. Freezing point method. If we discuss about the freezing point method or chrysoscopic method, so percentage weight by volume of adjusting substance needed is equivalent to 0.52 minus PSM upon B into A. PSM is the percentage strength of medicament, and A is the freezing point of the adjusted solution, and B is a freezing point of 1% weight by volume solution of an adjusting substance. Examples: sodium chloride equivalent method. The quantity of sodium chloride required to adjust tonicity is equals to 0.9 minus PSM into E. PSM is percentage strength of medicament, and E is the sodium chloride equivalent to 1 gram of drug. White-Vincent method. V is a volume of isotonic solution in ml that can be prepared by dissolving drug in water. W is the weight of the drug, and E is the sodium chloride equivalent. Molar concentration percentage weight by volume of adjusting substance required is equivalent to 0.003 moles upon molarity upon normality. M is the gram molecular weight and N is the number of ions into which the substance is ionized. Example, and this is all about the pharmaceutical calculations. And have a nice day and thank you.